Hello friends and welcome to Angel Tattoo Design Studio, a place where you can get your own dream tattoo, tattoo aftercare and tattoo training. Hello friends, since now only I made my YouTube channel, so I'm posting my old tattoo work now. In this video, you can see very old tattoos made by me. Sorry, I didn't mention about myself. This is Sati from Angel Tattoo Design Studio in Gurgaon. I run a tattoo shop in Gurgaon. I am into permanent tattoo making since 10 plus years now. Personal preference is to work on shading tattoos, black and grey work. But here in this video you can see like different kind of tattoos I have made, like black and grey tattoos, color tattoos and pure black tattoos as well. This is just few of tattoos of mine because I wasn't keeping like lot of collection of my old work. Now only I have made my channel on YouTube, and now I'm planning to post like lot of my new work and the old work as well, so stay in touch. And friends, to see more work by me, you can also visit to my website. It's tattooinindia.com. The link is in the description area, or you can go to my YouTube channel as well, though I haven't posted a lot of work as of now, but I'm planning to post like a lot of work of my old work, so you can still go to my YouTube channel and you can see some playlist over there and the tattoo work by me. If you haven't got any tattoo on yourself before, I personally assure you it's a very simple process. It's a very simple process to get a tattoo done, and like pain is not that concern now. Reason being that needles, machines are far better now. Friends, to get a good tattoo and your experience should be good with getting a tattoo, you should always do some homework before even contacting a tattoo shop or a tattoo artist. I always just suggest to my clients that you should do some working on the design first, and go to like Google, go to Pinterest and work some design for yourself, and then you can share with the design with the tattoo shop. And although tattoo shops, tattoo artists keep a huge collection of tattoo designs with them, but the idea is that you should give some working on your design and then you should contact the tattoo shop and tattoo artist. That is the first step of getting a good tattoo experience. And friends, talking about prices of tattoos are very subjective and they varies from shop to shop, and sometimes within a shop also, like if two different artists within a shop will give you like different tattoo price based on their expertise and the kind of work they do. Since it's a very detailed topic, pricing, so the best way is just work your design first and keep it very simple. Go to the Google, go to the Pinterest and work some different options for yourself and share the designs with the tattoo shop, with the tattoo artist, and then you can check the pricing. At least like approximate pricing they will certainly give it to you. And friends, the third thing, like once you have the design with you, prices like almost is like given to you by the tattoo shop. The third thing is the appointment. I always recommend, to get a good tattoo experience, you should always fix a prior appointment, because tattoo is like a work of hand. So it's like always good if you can work on the appointment with the tattoo artist, with the tattoo shop, before visiting to the tattoo shop. And friends, to ensure that you have like good experience of getting inked on the day of appointment, apart from reaching on time on the day of appointment, I suggest you should carry some eatable also. Like if you are going for a long session, you should carry like some food so that you are comfortable while getting inked. Like if you have to sit for like 4 to 6 hours, you should. And friends, never get a permanent tattoo empty stomach. If you are going to get it like in the early morning hours, if your appointment is in the morning hours, do take like good healthy breakfast with you or carry something eatable with you. And on the day of appointment, as I mentioned, it's a very simple process, and if you can go and get it done on your own alone to the tattoo shop, perfectly good. Or you can carry like only one companion or one of your friend with you. Do not like carry too many people. Like tattoo shops won't be allowing like too many people in their place. They certainly don't want their places to be crowded unnecessarily. So you can check with the tattoo shop prior visiting the shop that like if you can carry some. So friends, follow this very simple tips and I'm sure you will have like good experience of getting ink. The very first thing, work on the design, check the price, book your appointment, be on time on the day of appointment, carry something eatable, wear comfortable clothes, and prefer to wear black clothes. The chances are there that some ink will come on your clothes while getting ink. so you can carry something like comfortable with you, like preferably black. So friends, all the best. My best wishes are with you. And friends, if you're staying in Gurgaon or nearby, you can always contact us for the tattoo services, and we will certainly help you with the tattoo design, price, and appointments. Thanks for watching this video, and see you again with like more work. I'm planning to post like, I'm certainly going to post like a lot of tattoos. So stay in touch. Bye for now. Bye.